Michelle D just keeps on sparkling like a true queen. Siya na kasi ngayon ang kinikilalang ambassador ng Philippine Red Cross at may mga nakalinya pang projects pagkatapos ng kanyang reign. Makichika kay Lars Santiago.
Stunning in her red outfit si Miss Universe Philippines 2023, Michelle D, pagdating niya sa GMA para sa kanyang contract signing bilang bagong ambassador ng Philippine Red Cross. Kasamang pumirma ni Michelle sina GMA Network Senior Vice President Attorney Annette Gozon Valdez at Sparkle Vice President Joy Marcelo. Ang Philippine Red Cross, pinangunahan ng chairman and CEO nito na si dating Senador Richard Gordon.
Being able to utilize my platform and my sphere of influence to positively impact the lives of so many, that's always at my core. That's the reason why I joined pageantry, is to really be able to create opportunities for those around me.
She's not just a fabulous artist, not just a beautiful beauty queen, but she has a purpose. So ito na nga, and she really embraced the idea of being a brand ambassador, a voice of Red Cross, because she really believes in the ideals and causes of Red Cross.
Narinig mo magsalita, matalino, maganda, at masigasig. No? So I'd imagine that it will be a successful collaboration, especially during disasters. She can put up a lot of inspiration.
Sa susunod na linggo, ipapasa na niya ang kanyang corona bilang Miss Universe Philippines.
I feel very nostalgic. I mean, this is the end of a one-year reign, but also a closing chapter of a 7-year journey to get to where I am. So it is going to be a very emotional night when that happens, but I am very excited for the next queen. May her destiny shine the brightest that night. But I will always be there guiding her, making sure that she is prepared to represent the country that we all love.
Mapapanood sa GMA 7 ang Coronation Night. Magsisilbing hosts sina Alden Richards, Phil-Am Miss Universe 2022 R. Bonnie Gabriel, Sparkle star Gabby Garcia, American TV personality Jeannie Mai, at host and eventologist Tim Yap. Magpe-perform din ang Thai superstar na si Win Metawin. Sa pagtatapos ng reign ni Michelle, marami na raw nakapilang projects.
A lot of movies, and of course a lot of the businesses that I set out to launch and continue. The Black Rider, I'm still part of that, but there are 2 projects actually. One is international that I can't say, but abangan nyo po mga kapuso.
Lars Santiago, updated sa showbiz happening.